Welcome to Crunchyroll's Anime FanFest at San Diego Comic-Con. This was a great place to hang out at the amphitheater. There was plenty of activities for children and adults alike. The place was packed from the very beginning. They were handing out free bracelets that lit up during the concerts, and kids were running around having fun with the activities, taking photos. There was plenty of places to grab drinks, soda, food, and relax before the show. There was a huge lawn that people could sit at, as close or far away from the stage as they wanted to. The place was super packed. We got to go in the VIP area and in front of the stage, and the crowd was into it the entire time. Each performer killed it, and they had multiple performances almost at the top of every hour. People got to relax on the lawn and watch the show. The first performance that we got to see when we got there was Ally. Ally totally killed it with a few solo performances as well. They're also known for one of the featured songs on the hit anime show Jujutsu Kaisen. Ally brought great energy and got the crowd super hyped the entire time they performed. Next up was Pink Pablo, and he brought a performance for both Spanish speaking and English speaking fans. He even got into the spirit of Comic Con by dressing up as Batman, and his band had Pikachu hats on. Saving the best for last, Denzel Curry came onto the stage. He got the crowd instantly hyped up, and it was the loudest it has been all throughout the day and night. He was pointing at fans and getting everyone engaged with some awesome pyrotechnics and his performance. Everyone was having a great time. People were moving and jumping up and down, and even rapping with him. Also, with the amphitheater's technology and two big screens at the front, everyone across the amphitheater, even in the back, can enjoy the show.